Toyota Vios, the Philippines trending car. Toyota Vios has been the best-selling and most trending car in the Philippines for many years. Its popularity is not only because of the Toyota brand name, but also because of the balance it offers in price, reliability, and practicality. For Filipinos, whether for daily commuting, family use, or ride-hailing services, the Toyota Vios has become an all-time favorite. 1. Affordable and practical. One of the strongest reasons the Toyota Vios dominates the Philippine market is its affordability. In a country where most car buyers are price-conscious, the Vios provides great value for money. It is also very fuel-efficient, which makes it an ideal choice for everyday commuting in cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao, where traffic congestion is a big issue. Families and young professionals prefer it because it doesn't break the bank, but still provides reliability and comfort. 2. Reliable engine and low maintenance. Philippines look for cars that are durable and easy to maintain. The Toyota Vios offers exactly that. Its engine is known for long-lasting performance, and Toyota's after-sales service network is widely available across the Philippines. Spare parts are easy to find and affordable, which makes the maintenance cost low compared to other brands. This reliability gives buyers the confidence that their investment will last for years. 3. Versatile usage. Private plus public. Another reason for its massive popularity is its versatility. The Vios is not just a family car, it's also the top choice for taxis and ride-hailing services like Grab. This means the car is trusted by both private owners and commercial drivers. Its reputation for efficiency and dependability keeps its resale value high, making it a smart purchase. 4. Comfort and safety. Featureless. New Toyota Vios models are equipped with modern features that make driving safer and more enjoyable. These include airbags, ABS, stability control, a modern infotainment system, and effective air conditioning, a must in the tropical climate of the Philippines. Inside, the cabin is spacious enough for both drivers and passengers, which makes it comfortable for long drives as well as short city trips. 5. Evergreen popularity. What truly makes the Vios unique is its consistency in the market. Whether the economy is strong or going through challenges, the Toyota Vios continues to sell and dominate. It has become a household name and a symbol of practicality and trust for Filipinos. In 2025, it remains the top trending car, proving its unbeatable position in the Philippine car industry.